Most people believe wealth is complicated. It isn't. The real reason people never become financially successful has nothing to do with intelligence, background, or opportunity. It's behavioral. The same people afraid to invest aren't afraid to go into debt. The same people waiting for the right time never miss a chance to spend. And the gap between wealthy and broke people. It's not knowledge, it's discipline under pressure. A rocket burns the most fuel at takeoff. Not in space, not while cruising. At liftoff, because breaking gravity is the hardest part. Financial growth works the same way. The beginning feels slow, uncomfortable, and unrewarded. Saving instead of spending. Investing instead of upgrading your lifestyle. Thinking long-term in a short-term world. That's the resistance phase. And most people never push past it. They never escape financial gravity because the initial effort feels too great for the immediate reward. Industries evolve, technology shifts, markets change. When you adapt early, people say you're reckless. When you adapt late, they say you're behind. Progress always looks unreasonable at first, and the same applies to your personal finances. The moment you start making disciplined decisions, people around you become critics. Not because you're wrong, but because you're different. Your actions challenge their comfort zone. Building wealth is not a math problem, it's a behavior management system. Anyone can learn how compound growth works, how ETFs function, or how to open an investment account. Information is everywhere. Execution is rare. What actually stops people? Lifestyle comparison, social pressure, fear of missing out, market fear, and the need for validation. Nobody applauds when you invest quietly, but everyone notices when you display wealth. That social dynamic is what destroys long-term growth for so many. The financial world is full of noise and opinions. Real estate is best. Stocks are the only way. Start a business. Crypto is the future. Too many voices, not enough consistency. And when you begin improving financially, others can feel exposed. Real wealth is built on just 3 controlled variables. First, time. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Second, consistency. Small, repeated actions always outperform occasional large efforts. And third, emotional control. This means staying stable during market drops and resisting lifestyle temptations. Wealth begins the moment you take full responsibility. When your outcomes become your responsibility, your decisions become strategic. And long-term thinking, which is incredibly rare, becomes your greatest advantage. You do not need to be exceptional. You just need to be consistent when others are emotional, patient when others are impulsive, and focused when others are distracted. Money rewards behavior far more than it rewards intelligence. If this perspective added value, press the like button. It helps this message reach more serious learners. And subscribe for structured, psychology-driven financial education.